Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lakishore YouTube channel. In this video, you will know the 6 things you should never include in the resume. Most of you must have applied for a job in life at least once. So, did you get the job? If yes, congratulations. But if no, then maybe your resume failed to impress the employers. A good resume also plays a very important role in finding a new job. So let's talk about those things which you should not include in the resume. The first one is objectives. If you are a fresher and applying for the first job, don't write about your objectives as you have applied. It's obvious you need a job. If you are working somewhere and planning to change the whole industry, then you can include it on your resume. The second one is hobbies. What are your hobbies? No one cares about it ex- except your boyfriend or girlfriend. Therefore, your hobbies are not related to that particular job. Don't include it. The third one is personal pronouns. Don't use pronouns such as I, me, my, myself, etc. because it is understood the resume is yours and all the things on the resume belongs to you. The fourth one is personal names. Some people give themselves strange names such as handsome lucky, etc. Even by using these names, they create social accounts and emails. Don't get me wrong, but professionals don't like such names. So don't include such email or social accounts on your resume. The fifth one is outdated styles. While making your resume, don't use outdated fonts such as Times Roman, etc. Use attractive, modern, and sleek fonts. Don't forget to choose the right font size. The sixth one is indicating details. Some things can be easily understood by looking at what they are, such as phone number and email address. So there is no need to write phone and email next to phone number and email address. So that's all about a few things you should not include while making your resume. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest updates and share to your friends and also give comments. Thank you for visit. Have a nice day.